So now that we have the fabric swatches downloaded onto our computer, either via the entire collection or individual fabric swatches that we found online, we can now upload them into PreQuilt so that we can use them in visualizing our quilts. So we have our quilt designed and we don't want to use solid fabrics. We really want to use those printed fabric swatches that we imported. So I'm going to go to the profile and back to the dashboard. And now's the time to introduce the other dashboards. We have blocks, fabric pull, and add-ons. The one that we're interested in is the fabric dashboard. So when you click on that, that is going to open up the landing page where all the other fabric swatches are saved. The first thing we want to do is click on the bulk upload. And this will bring up a folder in your computer. This is all going to be organized differently depending on where you save the fabric swatches. You're going to want to find the fabric swatches, and you can hit Shift to import more than one at a time. You can do up to 25 swatches at once. And then you can, when you click the open button, it's going to spin for a second or two, but it will bulk upload all of those fabric swatches that you had selected to import. You can see that they're all with the rulers on the bottom, and these are all the new ones. If you click on the check mark in the top left corner of the fabric swatches, we can make some of the edits all at once for all of the fabric swatches. So I'm just going to click on all the ones that I just imported. Again, please note that you can do up to 25 different fabric swatches at once in what we call a bulk edit. So we're going to go up to the top and click on bulk edit, and that's going to open up a little page. And you notice it says bulk edit, there's 25 of those there. And we can see that the width of this fabric swatch is 7 inches. So that's what we're going to put in the width of the fabric swatch. If you don't know, you can use this table, and these all just have best guesses. They're kind of patterns that we've noticed from different fabric manufacturers, but again, they're not really known unless they have a ruler on there, but they're a good starting point. You'll notice that once we put in the width, there's also these drag buttons, and I'm going to drag the bottom up so that it hides the ruler. And so that's going to essentially crop out the ruler. When I hit save, it's going to make that same change to all of the other fabric swatches that were selected. And you'll see now that all of those printed fabric swatches are missing the ruler, but they're all set. You can deselect them all, and now they're ready to be used. You'll remember that we also had that one fabric swatch that we searched for individually. And so you can search through your computer system wherever you save that fabric swatch. Your system is going to look different than mine, but you can go and find that fabric swatch and then select it and open it, and it will import itself the same way the others did. So again, the first thing to do is going to be to edit it by setting the width of the swatch, which is 8 inches, and then hiding that ruler so it doesn't appear inside your quilt. When you save it, it's now ready to be used in visualizing your quilts.